Alrighty, hey guys, my name is Black Alpha Wolf here, and today, Black Alpha Wolf, and today we'll be playing Silent Still 3. I have not played this game, and I have not seen this game at all, so this will be the first time I'm playing this game. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and like button, and let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, let's get into this. This version features Polo only. Please note that the gameplay may be. I can't read it. Alrighty. Oh, we're in some kind of prison cell. Okay, good to know.
Well, look at that.
Well.
First night already, huh? First day is always rough. You'll get through it.
I told you already, officer. You arrested the wrong guy.
That's what they all say.
I'm
Look,
so glad I don't
my
do
job is
this.
simple. You're booked, you're processed, you stay right there while the system does its thing.
Oh wow.
This is bullshit. I told you the truth from the start. Nobody's listening to me.
Careful. Walls have ears in here, and they don't like
I
shine.
deload my DPI from
One
the
thing
top.
smoother.
It was so fast.
Be calm. Say what they want to hear.
They were so fast. Oh my
Say
Lord.
what? I didn't do anything.
Suit yourself. Time moves real slow in here.
And here.
Hey, wait, listen to me, officer! Officer! Come back here!
Okay.
Fuck! Fuck this place! I'm not supposed to be here.
Oh, alright.
I'm not supposed to be here.
Alright, off to harsh languages. I see someone over there. Can I do this? No. At least you got some toilet paper, man. We don't really get toilet paper nowadays. Well, I never went to prison, but I'm just guessing because of my friends. But, what am I doing? Keep yourself entertained to calm your spirit. Oh. How can I keep myself entertained then?
Officer?
Okay. My fear meter's going up and I don't know what to do. There's really not much you can keep yourself entertained here and here. What? There. Oh, what? I'm just gonna keep throwing the ball around? Oh, I hope not. Fear meter's going up. Oh no. Come on. Let me grab the ball. This high sensitivity is killing me here. No. I made it in score. Okay, well, fear meter's up. What now?
I think I just need to sleep this off.
Okay. Let's sleep it off then. Oh, okay. So what now? There is. Oh, now I'm just. Well, I'm falling asleep now. Takes so long to fall. Something on the bottom there of the bed. Seen that, right? Oh, in the cell.
What's happening? I can't move.
Oh, sleeper out.
Help! Help!
Sleeper out this. Okay. So heartbeat went away. Let's move. There's something on the bottom of the bed. That might just be the tag I see. Come on. Are you coming? Wait, what's gonna happen? I literally. Oh. Light went out. Oh, light came back on. Okay. But this is all. This is just a sleep paralysis, I guess. Oh, I hear something over there. What's going on over there? We can't see. So someone's whistling. So I'm just gonna keep looking. Oh, my light's twinkling. Hey, don't do that. Come on. What's going on here? Ew. Okay. Oh,
Officer?
what the fuck is that? Oh, that sends shiver down my spine. Down my spine. Woof. Better not jump scare me, please. Don't do that. Oh, and now it's gone. Oh, okay. I never had sleep paralysis before, but I can imagine that it's not fun. What? Hey, don't play that game, I warned you. Wake up. Uh, no, am I waking up? I just got a Steam notification, but I don't think that's the real Steam notification. You guys didn't see it because it was behind me, but it said, hey, don't play that game, I warned you. But then, oh, okay, I didn't wake up. Come on. Hello. You drew something from down there. You gonna beat your head down? Oh. Oh, whoa. Watch me from that cell over there. Okay. Oh, my lights. Oh no. Well, if it flickered and it's standing right there. You can't see it, but right there. If it flickers again. Oh, quick actions. Glad I know my, nope. Oh, dang it. Got to take my hand off the mouse to concentrate. There we go. Okay. Couldn't really look around because I had him. I couldn't really do it because of the mouse with the keyboard and stuff, but okay. I upped the volume a little bit so you guys can hear what's going on too. But I hope it's not gonna overpower my voice. Let's do it there. Oh. Okay, that got me. So what now? That got me good. So what are we looking for now? Oh. I see you right there. See it right there? Oh, it looks good. L E R E Z E E E L L V L F. Come on. So how long am I gonna have to do this? Not fixing itself. Okay. Okay, I guess. I'm gonna keep doing this until I, oh, there we go. Okay. Fix now. I like the quietness. Zoom in on our guy. Nothing. Okay. Two jumps. It's okay. Well, what now? God damn. Police Department case file. Okay. That's where better than urgent. Okay, Silent Steel 3. Oh, that got me good. Damn. Zoltro Studios. You guys did a good job on that. You guys did. If you guys want to see me play this full game, wishlist Steam 3. I think it's already out if I'm not mistaken. I will look. But if you guys want to see me play this full game, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. I got so much more videos planned out going forward. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.